Hey, good morning, everybody. Today will be opening bids for RFQ number 2026-0008 and PR number 2026-04-0010. This is the procurement of 6,000 liters diesel fuel. Uh, we have one supplier submitted speed White Cross Petrol Service Station. So before anything else, I would like to ask the bank members to evaluate first the technical documents based on our checklist for goods. Okay, for evaluation of top members, the technical documents of Petron, White Rose Petron Service Station is compliant with the technical requirements. So let's proceed with reading of the bid proposal. Before reading the bill proposal, I would like to ask the assistant doctor to read the EDC for this item.
Good morning, everyone. The EDC for the REQ number 2026-0008 SBP PR number 2026-04-0010 procurement of 6,000 liters diesel fuel. The approved budget for the contract is 900,000 pesos. 900,000,000.00.
Thank you, Vice Chair. So, White Rose Petron Service Station, RFQ, for 6,000 liters. The unit price of White Rose Petron Service Station is 99.60 per liter. So the total amount of bid is 597,600 pesos only. the back members, this will be our last bidding for 2025 and 2026 our term, because we have already received a new reconstitution of BAC, and I'd like to announce the new set of BAC bid and awards committee members. The chairperson is Engineer Regina G. Velarde. Then Ryan C. Pansito as the vice chairperson. Mrs. Lucidita X. Reyes, a regular member. Darlene P. Sapra, provisional member. For all types of procurement. Then Dindo Ardiles, user for maintenance and goods and services. Then we have Neil J. Shalom F. Calvio will represent the user for infrastructure projects. And lastly, Rio O. Salunoy will be representing the end user for consulting services. There will be the bank will be meeting with each other, the new bank member for the new set of the critical working group to be assigned or to be the members, and it's up to the hope for the members of the box secretariat. So in behalf of the box members for 25 CY 25 to 26, I would like to thank you for the support you have given us, and I hope that the technical working group and back secretariat, new set of PW and secretariat will do their part also, and be responsible enough to give help to the BAC members, the new BAC members. Again, thank you for the privilege of having me as the BAC chairperson for 2025 to 2026. So thank you everyone. And I would like to ask the incoming BAC chairperson to have his acceptance speech. I-close na lang nato kay walang po-po-po. Ato na lang ito. I think this bidding process is adjourned again.